Hey guys, 80 Productions here, and I'm here to show you how to make a mini Nutella sandwich. So we have right here Nilla wafers, Nutella, banana sprinkles. That sounds like a song, I don't know. So here we go. So we have the Nilla wafers, you can buy at any store, Nutella, and banana. So, but first, keep good hygiene, so hand sanitizer there. Get it all there? All right, sweet. So what we want to start with is opening the Nilla wafers, and I haven't had these in a long time. So open that up. You get a crazy looking future package. Let's see. So open this up. And these look like mini hamburger buns, which is actually pretty cool. So we need one of those and one of those. Alright. I'm just gonna put that there for now. Okay, so then we wanna open up that banana, and oh my gosh, I hate bananas. Just gonna chop, let's see. There we go. I usually have trouble opening bananas. So, and I'm sorry, Banana Guava, for making you go through this, because it must be painful. So we want to chop off the ends first. Put them to the side. Then we want to take mini thin slivers. So you're going to need one each for the sandwich. So let's see, 2, 4, 6, so we need 3. Perfect, so I have those, and then time for the Nutella. So what I want to put is put that on there first, unscrew the Nutella, put it on, then we want to put it on the next piece, slide that around. Oh man, I'm hungry already. Put that on there, and smack it down. Oh, I forgot the sprinkles. Oh, that's sucky. Yeah, nasty. Sprinkles, and then we make another one. Sprinkles, tiny bit of them because these things come out super fast. Booshki. Looks like a mini hamburger. It's crazy. Ooh. And then we put another one. Oh, God bless you, Doc 1 through 6. Okay, tiny bit of Nutella. Sprinkles. Side, smack that on. Okay, so now I just need our taste testers. Doc 1 through 6 and Random Scholar, could you please come to the set and come to the side over here? Sure, all right.
Hello guys, it is me, Doc 1 through 6.
Make to subscribe. Everybody down.
Another side guest, a Random Scholar.
Yes.
And so
my buddy Banana Guava cannot handle this.
So
I've actually never tasted Nutella before. So yeah.
On 3. 1, 2, 3, yeet. Random Scholar rating of 1 big yeet. Doc, do you like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Random, like it?
The banana has like a, the banana mixed with the Nutella. It's like the wafers. I can't really taste the sprinkles, but it just fits. I don't know why. Yeah.
Pretty delicious. I can imagine this would be something that the Egyptians would make.
I know, right?
And it's super easy to make.
Oh my god, dude. History puns.
And it's really easy to make.
just 3 easy steps. You can get this at, they don't tell me to say this, you can get this at, I think, Vons, Walmart, stuff like that. Same with the Nutella and bananas. And the best bananas juice is the organic. So yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and comment down below if you have made it and if it's good. All right,
And
bye
we
guys.
will see you next time.
Peace.